Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy A series is designed to pack flagship features into more affordable models? The A17 comes with a camera that rivals some premium smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy A17 is the latest addition to the popular A series lineup, and it's making waves with its impressive specs. This phone is designed to offer a premium experience at an affordable price. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, it's no wonder that the A17 is generating a lot of buzz. Samsung has always been a major player in the smartphone market. From the Galaxy A1 to the latest models, the A series has consistently delivered high-quality phones that cater to different needs and budgets. Over the years, we've seen significant upgrades in terms of design, performance, and camera capabilities. The A series has become synonymous with reliability and affordability. The Galaxy A17 is no exception, boasting a range of features that make it a compelling choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly phone. Its display is one of its standout features, offering a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. The A17's camera system is also worth mentioning. With a quad-camera setup, including a high-resolution primary sensor, ultra-wide-angle lens, and depth sensor, you'll be able to capture stunning photos and videos. The phone's battery life is another major selling point, with a large-capacity battery that easily lasts a full day. In terms of performance, the Galaxy A17 is powered by a capable processor, paired with ample RAM and storage. This ensures smooth performance, even with demanding tasks like gaming and video editing. The phone's user interface is also intuitive and easy to navigate. One of the unique selling points of the Galaxy A17 is its support for fast charging. This means you can quickly top up your battery when you're in a hurry. The phone also features a sleek and durable design, with a premium look and feel. The Galaxy A17's display is a major highlight, offering a high-resolution screen with vivid colors and crisp details. Whether you're watching videos or browsing the web, the display is sure to impress. The phone's camera system is also noteworthy. With advanced features like scene detection, portrait mode, and low-light enhancement, you'll be able to capture stunning photos and videos. The A17's battery life is another major advantage, with a large-capacity battery that easily lasts a full day. The phone's performance is also smooth and responsive, thanks to its capable processor and ample RAM. In real-world usage, I found the Galaxy A17 to be a reliable companion. The phone's user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. The camera quality is also impressive, with clear and detailed photos. Of course, no phone is perfect, and I did encounter some drawbacks. For example, the phone's speakers could be louder. In comparison to similar budget models from competitors, the Galaxy A17 stands out with its impressive specs and affordable price. For example, the Xiaomi Redmi series and the Realme C series offer similar features, but with some compromises. The Galaxy A17's display and camera system are particularly noteworthy. In terms of differences, the Galaxy A17 offers a more premium design and a larger battery capacity. The phone's performance is also smoother, thanks to its capable processor. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Personally, I've been using the Galaxy A17 for a while now, and I've been impressed with its performance. The phone's camera system has been particularly useful, allowing me to capture stunning photos and videos. The phone's battery life has also been a major advantage, with a large-capacity battery that easily lasts a full day. Overall, I'm happy with my experience with the Galaxy A17. I think it's a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly phone with impressive specs. In my opinion, the Galaxy A17 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly phone. The phone's display, camera system, and battery life make it a compelling option. I'd give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. The Galaxy A17 is ideal for anyone who wants a reliable phone with impressive specs, without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly phone, I highly recommend checking out the Galaxy A17. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other review of the Samsung Galaxy A series. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Galaxy A17 in the comments section. Your feedback is invaluable in helping me create more content that you'll enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.